Okay, so you can see what happened to the solar panels. This is the one that came off in the wind, and the nuts and bolts literally just ripped out through the aluminum frame, and you can see where that bracket that came with it bent pretty badly. What I've got are some new rails here of heavy-duty steel, and then I'm going to use these brackets to hold the solar panels onto these rails. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the rails so the U-bolts can go through them. I have marked already where the ladder rack is, so I will now mark for the U-bolts and drill those. Okay, so unlike the previous rails that bolted onto the bottom of these, I'm going to bolt onto the side of the panels. So I'm just going to lay this next to the solar panel. And I'm going to lay the brackets on. And before, where we had 2 brackets, I'm actually going to do 3. And I know that these will actually be on this side. But right now I'm just worried about the layout. Where to put the, drill the holes for the brackets. Okay, the rails are now attached to the solar panel. I did raise the back of the solar panel up about 3/4 of an inch, hoping to get a little of the rain to run off a little easier. I also drilled a third hole on the center one here on this side, hoping to get a third nut or bolt in there, but there just isn't enough room for a nut on the underside. I also did change the orientation of the bolts. Originally I had the nuts on the underside, or the head on the underside, and the threads up. I flipped those around so I would have easier access to put the connecting bolts in. So as opposed to previously when it had 4 bolts that attached the solar panel to the rails, I now have 10. Okay, so I'm really hoping that solar panels coming off will never be an issue again. At the moment it's raining, so I can't get this up on the van. But hopefully tomorrow it'll be nice. We'll put this one up and get it connected, and then we'll take the other solar panel down, put the new rails on, and then put that one up and connect it. Yep. The same kind of thing.
Wait, so you can roll from both of them at the same time?
Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video or got something out of it, please like the video and share with your friends. And please subscribe by clicking the bell below. Remember, travel, explore, and live life to its fullest.